So the question is, if you've got facial recognition readers, how do you enroll people on the reader itself, and then how do you use Sabre to move those facial images from and to and from the database? So the first thing is, like with anything, you can do it one by one person at a time. Alternatively, you can do it across the board for everybody. So if you want to enroll everybody at one time on the devices, on an enrollment device, or the device that you choose to be the enrollment device, I'll show you those two processes and how they work. The first thing is to select which device you're going to be using as your enrollment device. In this case over here, it's the admin exit device, and you make that the primary device, okay? And I'll show you where that comes into play right now. So when you go to an employee where you want to enroll them on the device, and then you want to synchronize them to and from all the other devices, I'll use Ernie, the one at the top, as the example. You then go to clocking devices over there at the top, and you say, okay, first of all, you've gone to the device now and you've enrolled Ernie on his face onto the device itself. You then go over here where it says device to device, and that is that primary device that we've selected. And then you choose that you want to synchronize his face from that device to all the other devices, and you say update, and you'll see the process as it updates. But to save time on the video, I'm not going to do the update. I'm just going to show you where to go and how it works. Okay, so that's done. Now, if you were going to do multiple people, you'd first always enroll people on the software first, and then what you could do is, to make life easier, you'd synchronize the people that you've enrolled. And to do that, you go to the device management at the bottom on the right-hand corner over there. It connects to all the devices. You then, once you've enrolled everybody on the software or imported everybody from the payroll into the software, which we can show you in a different video, you then right-click over here and you say Device Synchronize, and you synchronize from the database to the device, and that will give you all the people that you've enrolled onto the software with their unique enroll IDs, and load them all up onto the device. So when you go to the device to enroll fingerprints or faces, you will then see who you need to enroll, and it will show you on the device who's been enrolled and who hasn't been enrolled. And then once you've enrolled them all and that's completed, so here you just say synchronize, and it will synchronize everybody. And then you go to the device, you'd find the person you want to enroll, you enroll them on the device, and then you'd come back to the software and you would synchronize from the device back to the database. Once that is completed, obviously remember to tick that you want to enroll the face and the card or the fingerprint, whatever it is that you want to back up to the database. So you synchronize from the device back to the database. Then you go to all the other devices one at a time, and you synchronize from the database back to the device. And you could also choose, if you wanted to, say sync to all devices, and that'll happen automatically to all the devices to save you time. So that's the process of how to get people to and from a facial reader using an existing facial reader as your enrollment reader for faces.